If the app broke after an update, reset it cleanly. First of all, force close the app, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the US Bank app, and then swipe it away. After that, if you're on Android, clear cache. On Apple, open your settings app, head over to iPhone storage, then look for US Bank, then click offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Then reinstall your app, and to reinstall it again, open App Store, search for US Bank, and then reinstall it from the official App Store only. Then log in and recheck security settings. Tip: bug fixes often arrive within days, and that's it. Subscribe for